Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Finance Titans channel, your ultimate destination for all things crypto. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest crypto news and insight. Today, we're diving deep into Binance Coin, BNB, the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange. Join us as we unravel the story, explore its technology, use cases, ecosystem, energy impact, financial implications, challenges, and discuss the future prospects of Binance Coin. Binance Coin was introduced by the Binance exchange, founded by Changpeng Zhao in 2017. Let's delve into the origins of Binance Coin and its unique characteristics. Binance quickly gained popularity for its user-friendly interface, wide range of cryptocurrencies, and robust security measures. BNB was initially launched as an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, and in 2019, Binance launched its own blockchain, known as Binance Chain, and migrated BNB to its native blockchain. BNB serves as the native cryptocurrency of the Binance ecosystem and has multiple use cases. It can be used to pay for trading fees on the Binance exchange, participate in token sales on the Binance Launchpad, and access various services within the Binance ecosystem. Binance Coin operates on its own blockchain and utilizes innovative technology. Let's explore the technology behind Binance Coin and its key features. Binance Chain is a high-performance blockchain developed by Binance. It enables fast and secure transactions of Binance Coin and supports the creation of decentralized applications on its network. Binance Chain's focus on speed and efficiency makes it suitable for applications that require quick transaction confirmation. Binance Chain utilizes a deposed consensus mechanism where a select group of validators known as witnesses are elected to validate transactions and secure the network. Duos allows for faster block confirmations and higher scalability compared to traditional proof or blockchain. The Binance ecosystem is a thriving community of traders, developers, and projects. Let's explore the different components and opportunities within the Binance ecosystem. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally. It offers a wide range of trading pairs, advanced trading features, and access to various cryptocurrencies. Binance's user-friendly interface and commitment to security have contributed to its widespread adoption. Binance Launchpad is a platform for token sales and initial coin offerings, providing opportunities for projects to raise funds and gain exposure. Binance Launchpad has helped launch successful projects, contributing to the growth of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Binance Smart Chain is a parallel blockchain to Binance Chain that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications. It offers compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine, allowing developers to migrate their Ethereum-based projects to BC with ease. ESX's low transaction fees and high throughput have attracted developers and users to the platform. Binance Coin has a range of use cases and provides various benefits within the Binance ecosystem. Let's explore some of the primary applications and benefits of Binance Coin holders. Binance Coin holders can use BNB to pay for trading fees on the Binance exchange, offering a discount on transaction costs. This incentivizes traders to hold BNB, reducing their trading expenses and improving their profitability. Binance Coin holders have the opportunity to participate in token sales hosted on the Binance Launchpad. By holding BNB, users can gain access to early investment opportunities and potentially benefit from the success of innovative projects. Binance Coin holders can stake their BNB and participate in various yield farming programs to earn passive income. Staking BNB helps secure the network and provides users with additional rewards, further incentivizing BNB ownership. The energy impact of Binance Coin primarily depends on the energy consumption of the underlying Binance chain. Let's explore the energy considerations of Binance Coin. Binance Chain, being a blockchain that utilizes a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, is more energy efficient compared to traditional proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. Deposed consensus requires significantly less computational power, resulting in lower energy consumption. Let's discuss the financial implications of Binance Coin and its impact on the broader financial landscape. Binance Coin has experienced significant price appreciation over the years, driven by factors such as its utility within the Binance ecosystem, growing adoption, and market demand. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency investments carry risks and price volatility. Investors should conduct thorough research and exercise caution when considering Binance Coin as an investment. Binance Coin presents investment opportunities for individuals looking to diversify their crypto portfolios. By analyzing the potential of the Binance ecosystem, evaluating market trends, and staying informed about developments, investors can make informed decisions about including BNB in their investment strategy. While Binance Coin has gained popularity, there are challenges and considerations to keep in mind. Let's explore some of the challenges and factors to consider when engaging with Binance Coin. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving. It's essential to stay updated on the legal and regulatory requirements related to Binance Coin, especially regarding trading, taxation, and compliance. The cryptocurrency market is highly competitive, with numerous projects and platforms vying for attention. Understanding the competitive landscape and market dynamics is crucial for assessing Binance Coin's long-term prospects and its ability to differentiate itself from other cryptocurrencies. The future of Binance Coin holds great potential. Let's discuss what lies ahead for Binance Coin and its potential impact on the cryptocurrency industry. Binance Coin's integration within the Binance ecosystem, continued development of Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, strategic partnerships, and growing user base contribute to its potential for future growth. The success of Binance Coin is closely tied to the overall adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrencies, as well as the success of the Binance Exchange and its ecosystem. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Binance Coin. We've explored its origins, technology, use cases, ecosystem, energy impact, financial implications, challenges, and discussed the future prospects of this dynamic cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of crypto with us.